guy.
Oh, so cute.
Oh my God, no. No, no, no! What did you do? No. What did you do? Get out of here! Go on, get!
They put me in a dark room, total sensory deprivation, and give me coordinates. I could see anything, anywhere.
They call us vigilantes. I call us the last line of defense. We're here to fight for those who can't fight for themselves. Go, go, go! We gotta move!
Hey, stranger.
Bobo, is that you?
It was a tough time leading those misfits. We had to make choices no one else would. The city was a mess.
What in the...
Woo, look at that!
This is amazing! Never thought I'd see a place like this. What do you make of it, old friend?
All right, you misfits. The universe needs us. Let's show these evil forces what we're made of.
It's time to go back to Earth and make things right.
We will rebuild. We will create a new world from the ashes of the old. For ourselves and for generations to come. And then, wouldn't you know it, the bear ate all the honey we found. Laughter.